Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a Google account onto your Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, let's head into settings, let's scroll almost all the way down, and here we have account and backup and Google. Technically, we can go to Google and just go with sign in button, or alternatively you can go with account and backup, manage accounts and add account through here, and now choose Google. Both ways are completely fine, though the second one requires you to do more clicks, I guess. Now we must enter our current PIN to our lock screen. For me it's 1234, maybe you have a pattern, maybe you have password, doesn't really matter. And now we must enter the email or phone number that is associated with our account. So I will now just do that. By the way, as a little fun fact, you do not have to manually go with @gmail.com, as Google can automatically do that for you. So that's a nice life hack you now know and you can share with your friends. By the way, if you have more friends or more life hacks, you can share them down in the comments below. Anyway, now we must enter our password. And if the password is correct, you can simply hit next, and you should be able to go further. Now, we could potentially configure the My Chat will be using this device, which in other words means that you will go and enable the parental controls, but personally I'm really against it. I do think it's basically just a malware on your device. It has so much power over your Android, and it's very hard to get rid of it later. By the way, just trust your kid, I guess. Though, on the other hand, restricting the access to all that shorts and TikToks and basically slap is pretty good action. It's completely up to you. But if you want to know how to set up parental controls, you can always do that you can learn how to do that on other tutorials on our channel. Anyway, I will just go with I will be using this device. And now we must agree to terms of service, to Google Play terms of service, and to Google privacy policy. So I will go with I agree. And in any moment now we should be able to enable backup, which I can't stress it enough is incredibly important. Like, the backup itself is probably the most important thing that one could potentially enable on its phone, because this way you are actually prepared for anything bad that might happen. So yeah, just keep that enabled. Let's scroll all the way down and I will hit accept. And now, as you can see, our Google account is added, and you can freely move to, for example, YouTube or my favorite Play Store, because now with Play Store we can go and maybe uncheck all of that useless bloatware that they want for us to download, and now we can just search for some application and download it, or enter YouTube and waste our time, or do so many different things with the Google account. But that's the end of this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.